Hey there, welcome to Homely Feast by Dolly. Hope you all are doing good and making the best out of life. It's a new day and I'm back with a new video. In the last video, I made prawns pulao recipe, and in any case you haven't watched it, check out the link in description. Today, let's make Tiger Prawns Roast. And trust me when I say this is far more delicious. Disclaimer first, today my husband is taking over my kitchen, so stay tuned to find out how things turn out. Now we'll see the cleaning process of prawns. For cleaning, start by removing the head portion, peel off the shell, make a cut near the tail, remove the black lining that looks like a thread, thoroughly rinse it under the running water until it turns clean. Here comes the ingredient list for the marination of prawns. So for 500 grams of prawns, we have taken 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Well, mix it well for the flavors of spices to bind in. Tossing it in the refrigerator for next 30 minutes. In the plate we have curry leaves, 2 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, an inch of ginger slice. All the listed ingredients goes into the chopper. We are trying to get it finely chopped. But to get the desired texture, we are further crushing it with the help of a pestle. Cooking, we have used 3 tablespoons of oil. Into the heated oil goes the marinated prawns. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Later, into the same oil we are adding crushed masala. Roast it well till the oil separates. Then again, add the sautéed prawns to cook. Lastly, I'm garnishing it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. And trust me when I say this, it's finger licking good. Hope you enjoyed this video as much I did. If yes, like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel and support this newbie.